안녕하세요 everyone, it's Jia. Today we'll make a delicious Korean vegetable pancakes. They will be loaded with various vegetables. So you can use any vegetables that you can easily get or you have in your refrigerator. Let's get started. We're going to start off by soaking dry shiitake mushroom in hot water. Just put this in a cup or in a bowl and then add hot water to it. Today we're using half to 1 cup of water and then let it cool down. It's going to take about 20 to 30 minutes. And here I have one that I made before in advance. As you can see, the clear water is going to look a little bit yellow like this. And this broth is just amazing. Okay, let's start cutting the vegetables. First, zucchini. Just make sure you're cutting everything in a very small pieces. I just finely julienne the zucchini first. Put this aside. And then let's do the mushroom. Any mushroom such as shiitake mushroom, white mushroom goes very well with this pancake. And then the onion. And then today we're using puchu, Korean chives. And the shiitake mushroom has been soaked in water. We're going to use the broth, but also we want to use the rehydrated shiitake mushroom. Squeeze out the excess water and we're going to dice it. Dried shiitake mushroom is often used in temple cuisine, in Korean cuisine. It is considered like a beef. It means that it has a beautiful, nice flavor and it has also a meaty texture. And the chilies are totally optional. So these are all mixed veggies and it is measured by 230 grams. You may use any vegetables that you have except for those that emit too much liquid, such as green leaves like romaine. Except for that, carrots, all mushrooms works perfect. Okay. Now, time for the batter. Let's just dump all the vegetables to a bigger bowl and we need to season it with 1 big pinch of salt and ground black pepper. Then mix it. And in here, we want to add, today I'm using soft flour, like cake flour. I'm using about 5 tablespoons of flour and 2 teaspoons of potato starch. This one makes the pancake very crispy. And we need some liquid. We're going to add the shiitake broth to it. And we're going to put this aside for about 3 minutes or so, and the vegetable is going to release some liquid. Now, it's time to cook the yachaejeon, the vegetable pancakes. Add a couple of oil and then heat to a medium heat. For this pancake, we are sort of shallow frying, so use enough oil. Make the pancake as big as you want, but make sure to flatten it so that it's not too thick. Turn it over. That's so big. If the pan looks too dry, you can add a few more drops of oil. This makes the pancake very crispy. Okay, it's done. Split it. Looks very crispy. Okay, this is the first one. I made a medium-sized pancake, so this dough makes 2 of this. Throw everything all at once. I recommend to use a non-stick pan to make a pancake, and again, make it thin, flatten it. If you have a little bit of various vegetables left at home, how about making Korean Yachaejeon vegetable pancakes? It's really delicious, and don't forget to use the shiitake mushroom broth. It's going to bring this pancake to another level. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.